I'm back. We're doing another look. Today we're using Huda Beauty Empowered palette. And this is what it looks like. I also used 3 brushes for this. I used the Refer 16, Refer 21, and Refer 29. Going in with Get It, this one right here. Just take that over the lid. I don't know, it's like feeling really like in a neutrally mood. And I don't know, I don't really reach for this palette because it is so neutral. And if there's one palette that I feel like has the most repeated shades that I have in my collection, it's this palette. With that being said, I mean, it's a nice palette. The formula is nice. There are lots of different textures going on, so it's actually like for a neutral palette, it is quite versatile. But I don't know, just like, anyway, going in with the Refer 21, I went into this one. I'm pretty sure that didn't look like that when I first got it. There's like something clear in the center, and then these two are at the ends, but this is what it looks like now. And taking that as what ends up being like my primer, because I'm in a pseudo cut crease mood. I feel like I have been for a few days. But just taking that all over the lid, cutting where I have that fold. You know, I use my landmarks. And then I went in, what did I do next? I feel like I did it different. Oh, okay, yeah. I went in with Bold Moves, which is this one. I'm just using the same brush. And I just placed that on top. Just right on top. And then I went in with, so this one with Limitless, and this one is like really flaky and probably should be sprayed, but I did not do that with my other eye, so I won't do it with this one. And I just took, so like, it's actually not even, I didn't really pick up that much. I just went in just to give it a little more sparkle, a different color sparkle. Definitely not a needed step. I think you could stop right here. It was just a really simple eye look that I did today. And then going in with the Refer 29, which is like a tiny pencil brush, actually. I love how small it is. I went in with Purpose, which is the dark black. And this is like a creamy, it's not a powder, it's like a cream. So I use that as eyeliner. I will just leave this part because you definitely probably don't want to do this. But I literally just use it as eyeliner. Take it in. Is it in too far? So I'm just wondering where I would imagine the liner would go. And honestly, I feel like I'm not good enough at this. And I probably should just use like my my eyeliner, but you know, just wanted to try something different. Try something different. All right, that's probably as good as it's gonna get. And literally that's probably the simplest eye look I've done here. Ooh, Jesus. Simplest eye look I've done here. But yeah, it's actually good that I play with these palettes a little more, because I've been looking at that Byredo Remembrance palette and I'm like, oh, but I want it so much. But I have so many palettes that look like that, and this is one of them. So, oh, someone was telling me that this one reminded them of so let's look at that. Let's hold it this way, I guess. Honestly, I would not think that they were similar at all. Like, even because the mattes, The mattes are just definitely more pink with the Pat McGrath and more orangey neutral with the Huda. And the shimmers, yeah, they seem completely different to me. So I don't, yeah, so I wouldn't think that they were similar in my opinion, but you know. Yeah, that's it. Let me put on mascara and then I will be back. I guess I should talk about what else I used, right? So I used the Smashbox Photo Finish Control Matte Primer. Like, I've had this in my collection for a while. I'm just trying to see if I actually like it and if it should stay in my collection. I used my Hourglass foundation in warm beige and honey. I used the NARS, and I used the Lars, and I used the NARS Laguna 3 bronzer. I used the Brow Feast for my eyebrows, but nothing else. Probably could color that in a little or something, but that's fine. Let's try the Essence blush. It's called the Blush. In Bespoke. We'll see. Put some of the highlighter back on. Because I want my highlighter to pop. I showed you this, right? So I have the highlighter. I use the Essence blush. Honestly, not bad. All right. And that is it. I hope you like this. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. And yeah, I'll do this again tomorrow. Bye.